Good evening, my people. You don't know, say if I read again. Just like and subscribe and share my channel, alright? Just a green a quick look at Black River Sea. You know, say Caribbean Sea this. You know, say a rainy evening in Black River. Sea rough and stuff. Just take a good look, my people. It's a beauty. You know, say sea kind of rough and stuff for it. Trust me, I love nature, you know. Can't beat nature. My time in quarantine kind of very hard. You're not gonna see anyone out here right now. So it's a lonely evening in Black River. Just like giving a quick tour of the place, you know. Them places where we hang out more time. Caribbean Sea. There's a lot of story about that ship right there. It's a lot of story. But someday I will tell you the story about that ship. I'm just giving a quick preview of Black River, St. Elizabeth. Yes, my people, now Black River, St. Elizabeth on the bridge. Just take a good look at the beauty. Nice place to be. This is Black River, St. Elizabeth. This is a nice tourist attraction. People from all over the world come this side. Right now people doing some fishing in this area right now. So this is a beauty. If you take a tour now and then in the Black River, lots of attraction right here. Yes, my people, the Black River St. Elizabeth on the bridge. Let's take a good look at the beauty. Nice place to be. So this is Black River St. Elizabeth. This is a nice tourist attraction. People from all over the world come this side. Right now people doing some fishing in this area right now. So this is a beauty. If you take a tour now and then in the Black River, lots of attraction right here.